Well, there we go. New Year's in London. Right, so we're in Chinatown. Is that it? Oh, so it is, yeah. We've just got Mr. Wu. Mr. Wu Chinese, £5. They're a little bit hustle and bustle in there. Take your money, get out and leave. But we're about to walk to the Thames for New Year's fireworks. This is what it looks like right now. It's 10 p.m. We're at Trafalgar Square.
Near the Tesco Express.
Near the Tesco Express.
And the Ghost Bus tour thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite busy. Quite busy, yeah. People are warming up. About an hour and a half to go. Everyone's getting the best stop.
Holidays.
Yeah, all these are closed for business. Unless you have a ticket. We are Covent Garden.
Fancy place.
People getting their Christmas on. Well, we're half an hour away, found a little street, huh? This is where the London Marathon finishes. And there's Buckingham Palace just where those lights are down there. We've got 35 minutes to go. Found a good spot. Getting festive, yeah. Little mini Jaegers from Germany. Yeah. Look at these guys' job there. Look, they just stand there for like hours. Oh, that must suck.
Get your own face in.
So it's a lot busier now. But it's still pretty good. We've got a good vantage point. It's only like 8 people deep. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. Join.
New Year! 2020! Woo! Party.
The walk of tunes has begun. Okay, we're making our way back up. You should look at the crowd.
There's a lot of it. Oh, watch out first.
Look at this dude. It is busy.
We can still get on it.
Let's check the underground. Oh, we'll get in there. So, Hyde Park Corner. So, we're still waiting for free till 4:30. So there we go. Gonna get the Piccadilly line to Heathrow.
Richer already.
Yeah, Green Park was stuffed. I don't even know if it was open. But it's pretty good right now. We got in front of the crowd. We're on the tube. That was New Year. Yeah, got our first
Happy
casualty
New Year.
down here look, of New Year.
Start to 2020.
It smells pretty bad.
Oh yeah, I had to go over.
We're in the coach.
Yeah, can't even do that. Start to 2020 right there.
Yeah. Well, we're finally off the tube. Someone puked, as you saw. And now we're at McDonald's. And there's a fat queue.